Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video what we have done, we have just done about some of the revision and I have told you something about the paper pattern, but in this video we will only see the paper pattern. Okay, again some of the question I have told you before, but again we will see that only. So for that please take out your paper pattern which we have given you. So I am also taking out my paper pattern, you also take out your paper pattern. So here is my paper pattern of standard 8 this. Okay, in that I have told you in the previous video only that what you have to do, first of all writing the chapters of science. So which chapters are coming, please you just verify this, because due to some of the printing mistakes there are some doubts are created. So I am just writing it again: 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 18. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11 and 18. Okay students, now from this chapter only I have asked all the things. Okay, now let us see question by question all the things. Okay students, so first of all MCQ is there. You all know that from which chapter the MCQ you have to do. So question number 1, that is MCQ, that you have to do from chapter 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 18 and also from all chapters let's answer. Okay, all chapters let's answer. Okay students, and then after the question number 2 is define. Question number 2 is define. So from that I am just giving you definitions, okay, which can be asked. So first of all directly moving towards chapter number 1, and please take out your page number over here, that is page number 19. So from that which definition can be comed. So first, what is agriculture? Agriculture. Second, that is fertilizers. So from this chapter you have to do these two definitions, and moving towards chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, that is, now please take out the page number. Chapter number 2, that is microorganisms. From that microorganisms which you have to do. So from that microorganisms, first of all you have to do microorganisms. What are microorganisms? Okay, another that you have to do is nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation. Okay, from chapter number 2 you have to do this two. And now moving towards chapter number 3, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So from that you have to do is only one, that is polymerization. Okay, sixth one, that is from chapter number 6, the chapter number 6, which is please take out the page number of chapter number 6, that is 79. On the 79, please take out the last keywords, that is 86. On the page number 86, that you have to do is okay, from chapter number 6 you have to do is, here are, that is first biodiversity, the only one. Okay, now moving towards chapter number 7, so from chapter number 7 you have to do definitions that are, so from chapter number 7, that is first definition, that is multicellular organisms. Multicellular organisms, and 8th, unicellular and the chapter number 11. Now from chapter number 11, that is pressure. So please take out the page number 141. From that you have to do is, ninth definition, that is atmospheric pressure. Okay, only one. And the last chapter, that is chapter number 18. From that, chapter number 18, which is pollution of air, water, which we have seen last. From that you have to do the definitions which are on the page number. Okay, now the 10th definition, that is what is pollution, can be asked. 11th, that is global warming. Okay, so from this 11, any can be asked. Okay students, so please write down these definitions or take these definitions. Now moving towards question number 3, that is give 2 examples. So give 2 examples that you have to do from all chapters. Question number 3, that is give 2 examples that you have to do from all chapter. Which chapter has these? Give 2 examples, from that only you have to do, and all chapter. Let's answer. Okay, and I have also taken some of these from inside the chapter, so that you have to take in your mind. Okay students, and question number 4, that is name the following, it is also same. So I am just writing here question number 3, question number 3 and 4 same, all from all this chapter, and let's answer also. Then moving towards question number 5, in that also I think it is same only, but I will write over here question number 5. And what is question number 6? Match the pair, that also same. So 5 and 5 true or false, 6 fill in the blank, 7 match the pair. 5, 6 and 7 same. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 18 and all chapters. Let's answer. Okay students, and 7, then after coming towards question number 8. Now question number 8 is draw the diagram. So in that what you will do? So here in the question number 8 you have to do is, you have to do this from chapter number, which is, I am giving you chapter number, that is chapter number 7. Chapter number 7, cell diagram, plant cell diagram, animal cell diagram, all the diagrams will be asked from chapter number 7 only. Okay students, only from chapter number 7 you have to do all this diagram. Okay, now moving further, that is answer in detail, question number 9, that is answer in detail. So in that also all the chapters, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11 and 18. Answer in detail is there, then you should make a strike in your mind that the long answers will only ask in this question. So you have to learn only the answers which are long answers from these chapters. Okay students, moving further, and that is question number 10. Here now just going towards question number 10. So I am writing over here. Question number 10. Okay students, so in question number 10 it is answer in short. Answer in short, so that also from chapter number 1, 3, 6, 7, 11 and 18. Okay students, from this only ask, short answers are there, so you have to just read the short answers only, which can be asked for 2 marks. Okay students, just think some out of the circle, then you will know that which questions are coming. Okay students, now moving further, experiments. Yes, here in the experiments most of all have the doubts. Many of you have just messaged me also, but I haven't replied to anyone because I know that I will do this in this video. Okay students, sorry for that I am not replied. Okay students, but now I am telling you, see here students, first of all the first experiment will be, so the first experiment, that is on the page number 14, that is on the page number 14. See here, it is given over here, this experiment, that to sort healthy seeds from unhealthy ones. So that you have to do, that can be asked. Okay, moving further, the second one, which second one can be asked, that is to observe, see here, the another which can be asked, that is on the page number 25. So here it is to observe the fermentation by the yeast cells. Okay, this experiment also you have to do, and the last one which I am just giving you, that is on the page number 136, to show the presence of atmospheric pressure, which is on the page number 136. Okay students, which is on the page number 136, that you have to do. Then the last question is answer in brief. Answer in brief, that you have to do from all the chapter as it is. Okay students, so I am just rubbing and writing that. And here the question number 12 is last question, that is you have to do chapter number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11 and 18. Okay students, you should know I have asked only the textual question answer in question number 9, 10 and 12. I have all asked is textual question answer only, but you have to just, if you are just think a little bit higher, then you can know which question I have asked. So for 4 marks you have to see all the chapters which answer is long, that only I have asked. For 3 marks you should know that from this chapter this question is of this much length, it can be asked for 3 marks. Okay, then that I have asked. Then coming to 2 marks, so from this chapter which are short answers, that I have asked in 2 marks. You just think little bit, then you will know that which question I have asked and you can slot it down. Okay students, here we have just completed the paper pattern. Okay, here we have just completed the paper pattern of the 8th science of the paper, which is on the Monday. So you have one day, that is Sunday. Okay, in Sunday you have to just do hard work that you can score all marks, and best of luck for your exam on Monday. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.